Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the best in household appliances. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the pinnacle of steam irons, the Rowenta Pro Master Stainless Steel Soleplate Steam Iron. This iron isn't just another household tool, it's a game-changer in the world of garment care. Let's explore why. If you're serious about ironing, the Rowenta Pro Master sets the standard. With its robust 1,775 watts of power and an impressive 400 microsteam holes, this iron means business. Whether you're tackling stubborn wrinkles on cotton, silk, or linen, this iron promises professional-grade results with unparalleled steam distribution. Let's break down some key features that make the Rowenta Pro Master stand out. Delivering 210 grams per minute, this iron ensures deep penetration and effective crease removal. Perfect for intricate areas and tricky spots like collars and seams, ensuring no wrinkle goes untouched. Say goodbye to mineral buildup with Rowenta's integrated anti-calc system, preserving both your iron and your clothes. A generous 12.7 ounces capacity means fewer interruptions for refills, ideal for extended ironing sessions. For peace of mind, the iron automatically switches off if left unused for some time, ensuring safety in your home. Now, let's see it in action. I have here a crumpled shirt. Let's watch as the Rowenta Pro Master effortlessly smooths out these wrinkles. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your ironing experience to professional levels, the Rowenta Pro Master is your go-to choice. Its blend of power, precision, and safety features ensures that every ironing session is efficient and effective. Plus, with a design that's built to last, it's an investment in your wardrobe's longevity. That's all for today's review on the Rowenta Pro Master Stainless Steel Soleplate Steam Iron. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this. Until next time, happy ironing!